In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to announce your new job on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Whether you've landed your dream job or are embarking on a new career path, sharing this exciting news on LinkedIn is a wonderful way to keep your professional network up to date. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to LinkedIn's website. You can do this by navigating to linkedin.com in your web browser. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. You have the option of signing in with Google or Microsoft, or simply using your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll likely need to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone number, ensuring your account remains secure. Once you're logged in, it's time to craft an engaging announcement. A well-rounded post should start with showing appreciation for your previous employer and highlighting what you've learned BMotive for transitioning to your new role. This demonstrates gratitude and maintains positive relationships. Then convey your enthusiasm for your new position. Be sure to explain why this opportunity excites you and what you hope to achieve. Including key achievements and skills you've gained so far will add credibility and context to your career progression. Next, you'll want to create a post on LinkedIn. Look for the Start a Post box on your feed. It's usually located on the home page, ready for you to share your thoughts and updates. Clicking on it will open a new window where you can begin drafting your announcement. To give your announcement a professional touch, click on the plus sign within the post box and select the option to celebrate an occasion. This feature is perfect for highlighting news like a new position. Then choose New Position from the list of options. This will help categorize your post appropriately, catching the eye of your connections. Adding a visual element can significantly enhance the impact of your announcement. You can upload a photo, perhaps one related to your new company, or select from the pre-existing options on LinkedIn. An image makes your post more engaging and visually appealing to your audience. Now it's time to add some text to your post. Write a few sentences expressing your excitement and what this new role means to you. Feel free to be personal yet professional, as your connections would appreciate an authentic glimpse into your journey. Finally, when you're satisfied with your post, give it a final read through to ensure everything looks great. Then simply click on Post. And there you have it. Your new job announcement is live on LinkedIn for your network to see and celebrate with you. With these steps, you've not only shared your exciting news, but also strengthened your professional presence on one of the world's leading networking platforms. Congratulations on your new role, and best of luck in this new chapter of your career.